A police/ambulance flasher light circuit is an electronic circuit that generates a flashing pattern of lights used in emergency vehicles to signal their presence and alert drivers to make way for them. There are several ways to design a police/ambulance flasher light circuit, but the most common is to use an astable multivibrator circuit with transistors or 555 timer IC. Here's a simple circuit diagram of a police/ambulance flasher light circuit using a 555 timer IC. In this circuit, the 555 timer IC is configured as an astable multivibrator. The output of the 555 timer IC drives a transistor, which in turn drives the high-intensity LEDs connected in parallel. The flashing pattern of the LEDs can be adjusted by changing the values of resistors R1, R2, and capacitor C1. Note that this circuit is designed to be used with a 12V DC power supply. If you want to use it with a different voltage, you need to adjust the values of resistors and capacitor accordingly. It's important to note that designing and installing emergency vehicle lights requires proper knowledge and training, and should only be done by trained professionals. Additionally, the use of emergency lights is regulated by law in many jurisdictions, so it's important to check and follow local regulations.